Welcome to week 1, a shortened week of our data structures programming class, and it's in an environment that I love working with, C++. And I dove right into our assignment this week and had a lot of fun getting used to being in an environment I haven't really messed with since I've been in school for the last 3 years. So it was fun to get back into C++, and even though it was a very basic program, get my hands back on the keyboard and get involved. And for our assignment this week, we were asked to create a nice console program with a menu with 3 nice and easy functions. And the functions I chose were a random number generator and a even odd number checker, as well as an exit to the program and a validity checker to make sure all entries the user make are valid according to our menu. So for instance, if I were to enter in 6 and press enter, we would see that that is not a valid choice. So our choices are 1 through 3, so we will just follow the instructions. And if we choose the first one and press enter, that should be our random number generator. And it generated the number 43. If we chose option 1 again, it chose the number 2. Let's do it one more time and just see what kind of range the random number generator really has. I went with 3, so it's staying down in the lower numbers, but we get the idea. It's randomly picking between 1 and 100 behind the scenes. Now our option 2 is to check if a number is even or odd. So now with the little user prompt, we are asked to enter an integer. And my favorite integer is 7. So we'll check to see 7 checks out in our system. We know 7 is an odd number, but does the computer? Well, the computer does. The number 7 is odd. Let's do it again. So we choose menu 2, and we'll choose 14. And it says 14 is even, which, as we know, is a true statement. So it's very, very simple, very, very self-explanatory, very easy to follow along with. And the only thing that we're left to do is our last function, which should cancel the program, and it does. And if we hit any key again, we will go back to our code. That just completes week 1. Very, very basic, fun, and I can't wait to get more involved with C++.